update of my trades yesterday. Matter of fact, yesterday I didn't even take one trade in the RTY. I didn't even take a trade. Um, and then yesterday being Tuesday the 13th, and then I think I took one trade in oil. But as far as the status of those accounts, right there, um, I have I think $850 in the RTY 5 minute gold line trade only. And then I have like $280 in the CL one. I think it is. And I went back and looked and I realized maybe it's been updated last night. I can't remember. I've either only traded 3 days or 4 days in the CL, 5 days in the RTY. So 5 days of the RTY, I'm at 850 trading that one strategy. And in the CL, I think it's only 3 days. It might be four by now. I don't know, but I'm only up 250. But what I wanted to talk about was two things. Number one is when I did this challenge last year in August, this is very important. When I did this challenge last year in August, it was on the 1 minute continuation trade. And I did it in the ES, and I shortened up my targets, and I shortened up my stops. I was going with 5 tick stop and trying to do a 3 point target, and it took me, gosh, probably 15 days of trading or so to pass my account. Um, two things about that. Number one is, you know, the market's slow in the summertime. Things get rough, and you gotta be aware of that. It's not just does the pattern show you what you're looking for, is the expansion in the market even there for the risk reward that you're trying to get? And if you're not seeing both, then you need to step away. um, because all you're going to do is donate, or if you're lucky, 50/50s. Um, but anyways, so why did I do this in August of last year? Well, because I had this epiphany last night. Because in June, because in June of last year, I started blowing up my accounts. And I did this, and I thought, okay, maybe it's a one-off. So I get into July and I blow up my accounts again. And I'm sitting there like, why am I blowing up my accounts? And what it was is I was not adapting to the market. I was being stubborn, and again, this is a trading journey for me also. And so I was not adapting to the market. I wasn't evaluating the fact that the market's not doing what it is that I expected it to do, like it was doing, say, in March and April of last year, just like March and April of this year. And so here I am sitting here in June, and the market's not cooperating again. It's not cooperating again to just print free money. So, anyways, I bring this up because today is also interest reporting day for Powell, and so if you go through today and don't even take a trade, don't feel bad. I didn't even take one yesterday in RTY, for 5 minute gold line trade. Well, yeah, 5 minute gold line trade. I took in my personal accounts, I did take an open range break trade in oil yesterday, and I made like $500 in each account. But I had to quickly, I had to quickly change my accounts linked to the chart, because I'm trying to do this 5 minute gold line challenge, and I'm trying to stick to that trade and that trade only for for that challenge, because I want it to be legit. I want to take the 5 minute gold line trades only so that I can pass these two separate evaluations. The RTY one's doing well. Like I said, I'm up like 850 or something like that, 5 days of trading. So, anyways, my point is that if it's not there, don't take it. And Be selective on what it is you're going to do. Make sure you're seeing expansion. Make sure you're seeing follow through before you throw your money out there. Otherwise, no trade is still trading. Did you hear that? No trade is still trading. You just made the decision not to enter the market. So, anyways, everybody have a good day. Oh, today's also oil inventory day. So, I mean, I may not be doing anything today. At least waiting until oil inventory is over and seeing if it has any action. Even though Powell's going to go out and tell his lies at 2 o'clock. So, everybody have a good day. Good luck. I'll be doing a video update. I'm going to go through. I'm going to go through the charts and do evaluations on the 5 minute trades later on today. And for yesterday and today, yesterday was a perfect example of the market not following through. How many times did I see pullbacks to the 5 minute gold line and we didn't reach? We didn't even reach the 5 minute gold line and then we rotated up. That's an example where the market just does not have the oomph and the off and the oomph and the off that you're looking for. I can't even tell you how many times. That's exactly what happened to me in oil yesterday in the open range break. I was waiting for that thing to come back in a gold line so I could do my 5 minute gold line trade, and it missed it by like a tick or two, and then rotated up and started going through the open range break. And I was quickly trying to switch everything on my charts so that I'm only trading my my 5 accounts and not my evaluation account for this challenge. And I quickly got it all done in time and entered and took the open range break with just my 5 accounts. And I got lucky and made, $500. Anyways, everybody have a good day. Good luck. Remember, this is not a day necessarily to make yourself rich. Talk to you later. Bye.